This is where we are going, Garden of Dreams. It has cafe, yoga, Wi-Fi and relax. The Garden of Dreams, it's a cafe where many people come. It's a very famous cafe in Arambol. So I'm going to show you this cafe and see how it looks like from inside. So this place is known for keeping the nature alive. This is very green place. People sit between the trees, between these small plants, and they have made a beautiful place. I'll go inside and show it to you. To begin with, Ganeshji, and this is the very traditional looking entrance to it. So this is the entrance. Let's go inside and see what it is like. Okay, looks very green. People are sitting and just chilling out here. See, there's a table, and let's go further. There are more people sitting here. There is a dog also. Here you can place and collect your order. On left hand side also more people sitting here enjoying their breakfast. There is a poem, Garden of Dreams, which is written by, I guess, Ed Gao. Let's go further. There are more people sitting here on this section. So see, there are some paintings here, the artwork of some artist. I can see the signature, but he has not written the name. Let me show you more paintings here. Yes. And some more paintings are here on this side. This is actually priced at 9,000 rupees. Let's go further and see what do we have here. Let's go to this section. This looks very yellow. What do we have here? Okay, and it's all green. This is why it is called a Garden of Dreams, because there is a lot of greenery here. This is the cleaning area. And let's go further down and see what do we have here. Oh, this is the kitchen. I've come to the kitchen. Okay, so this is where you can place your order and collect your order from here. You can buy some things, like this is cashew butter, which you can buy for 440 rupees. I don't know why is this. The cactus is here. For what, I don't know. They have kombucha, refreshing change, some gold ring. The food is being served here. People are taking their breakfast, and this is their kitchen. Ooh. This is what?
Cold coffee.
Cold coffee, and Sudeep is also having cold coffee. Anu is having masala chai with jaggery. And here we have some books. So if you want to come, sit down, take a book, enjoy your day, read any book. There is so many books here. The Ramayana of Tulsidas, Stephen King, Indi Dussuo. I think it is in some other language. This is in what language? I just want to know the language. This is in French. Their menu card. This is the Garden of Dreams in Arambol, Goa. A beautiful front cover of the menu. You can have coffee, iced coffee, tea, drinks. There are different kind of drinks here. And then breakfast. Breakfast, may they have so many different options. Sandwiches, salad, morning shots. And let's see what else do we have here. You can have sharing plates, hot plates, burgers, desserts. That's it, I guess. And this is my coffee. Ooh, cappuccino. Okay. Here you will not be getting the sugar, but you will get jaggery here. So let's add some jaggery in our coffee. Omelette, and this is my friend's vegan cheese plomen. This is poached egg and then some green leafy salad and a bread, my coffee and some more leaves, hara patta, and this is scrambled egg,
कंप्लेन नहीं अच्छा है टेस्ट
fried egg on toast.
सबसे सेफ पर आता है वो कितना ही खराब बनाएगा मतलब खा के पेट भर गया
शाम सवेरे तेरी यादें आती हैं, आके दिल को मेरे तड़पाती है। ओ सनम मोहब्बत की कसम, समझे जमाना के दिल है खिलौना जाना है, क्या है दिल का लगाना नजरों से न खुद हमको गिराना, मर भी गए तो न जाना। Hi everyone, this is Arambol.